Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disconnect an Outlook account in Windows 8 or 8.1. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. You'll need to wait a moment for your emails to load completely before proceeding with the disconnection process. This ensures that all your account data is properly synced before you make any changes. Once your email has loaded and you can see your inbox, direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll need to navigate to the Send/Receive tab. This tab contains all the options related to managing how Outlook sends and receives your emails. Go ahead and click on the Send/Receive tab to open its menu. After clicking on Send/Receive, you'll see several options appear. Look for the option labeled Send/Receive Groups and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This feature is crucial because it allows you to manage different groups of accounts and control how they interact with Outlook's send and receive functions. From the drop-down list that appears, click on Define Send/Receive Groups. This will open a new window where you can modify your account settings. Now, a Send/Receive Groups window will appear on your screen. In this window, you'll see a list of all your group names. Look for the group called All Accounts in the list and double-click on it. This action will open another window that displays all the accounts currently associated with your Outlook app. This is where you'll be able to see every email account that's connected and choose which one to disconnect. In the new window, you'll see your accounts listed on the left side. Click on the specific account you wish to disconnect from this list. Once you've selected the account, you'll notice a checkbox below labeled Include the selected account in this group. This checkbox is what keeps the account active within Outlook's send and receive operations. To disconnect the account, simply remove the check from this checkbox. When you do this, you'll notice that all the features below it, such as sending mail items and receiving mail items, become disabled automatically. This effectively disconnects the account from Outlook's operations without deleting it entirely. Once you've unchecked that option, click on OK to save your changes. The account is now disconnected from Outlook in Windows 8 or 8.1, meaning it will no longer send or receive emails through the app. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.